Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is finally here. After years of anticipation, Elon Musk's vision for the ultimate electric pickup truck has become a reality. With its insane power, futuristic design, and cutting-edge technology, the Cybertruck is changing the game. But is it worth the hype? Let's break it all down. One look at the Cybertruck, and you know this isn't your average pickup. Its stainless steel exoskeleton is built for durability, making it scratch and dent resistant. And let's not forget the Tesla armor glass, which is designed to withstand impacts like never before. The Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension lets you adjust ride height, perfect for off-road adventures or smooth highway cruising. Step inside, and the Cybertruck feels more like a spaceship than a truck. The massive 18.5-inch touchscreen gives you full control over the vehicle, while Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features push the limits of autonomous technology. The spacious cabin offers seating for up to 6 people with high-tech materials and an ultra-minimalist design. There's also a front trunk for extra storage, making this truck as practical as it is futuristic. Now, let's talk performance. The Cybertruck comes in 3 variants. Single motor RWD, 250-mile range, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. Dual motor AWD, 340-mile range, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Trimotor AWD, Cyberbeast, 500-mile range, 0 to 60 miles per hour in an insane 2.6 seconds. With up to 11,000 pounds of towing capacity, the Cybertruck is just as capable as traditional gas-powered trucks. Plus, its ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel body makes it one of the most durable vehicles ever built. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck starts at $60,990 for the base model, while the high-performance Cyberbeast version goes up to $99,990. With its futuristic design, high-tech features, and powerful electric performance, the Cybertruck is unlike anything else on the road. But what do you think? Is the Cybertruck the future of pickup trucks? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews.